Another heat wave has arrived and these plants need a drink. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Wednesday to you. Wednesday the 12th of August 2026. Day 178, the Chilli grow up. 33, 34 degrees at the moment. Super hot, no wind. And tomorrow 37, 38, potentially the hottest day of the year. Now as you can see, these plants are struggling. Look at the smaller ones. The leaves are proper droopy, so we're going to give them a good amount of water today to perk them up. And then tomorrow morning get some fertilizer and water in them right away, because as you can see they are struggling a bit. So easy fix, get them a drink. As you can see, the ones in the shade all fine, the ones in the sun they're getting a bit of a beating, as you can see. So a bit of water will fix that, and then water and fertilizer later. Other than that, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful week, a wonderful Wednesday. Hope you're all set and prepared for this heat wave. That's what we'll do right now. Make sure they're ready for it. I hope they survive. It's going to be a hot one tomorrow. Let's do this. Let's get into day 178. Happy Wednesday, Lucy. Are you ready for some scrambled eggs today? Yeah? Go on. Can I get a ball? Thanks. It's your favourite, huh? Start with these smaller plants. They are thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. It's a ghost pepper then. Right. Mirch, Masalas and mystery plants. Yeah, as you can see, they really need it. Move over to the other smaller plants. Our small Cayenne. Our Zimbabwe. And the Tabasco. But yeah, we need to get all of the bigger bags a splash of water as well, I think. Let's do this. Sweet banana, just a little splash on each. Padrón. Zimbabwe. Another Zimbabwe. Here's our Padrón. Peppers in there still. I've eaten most of them. Poblano. Okay, most of these have been eaten. A few little ones starting to show. Our Habanero. Blooming really well now. Lots going on inside. Beautiful. And here is a sugar rush peach stripy. Move around to the Jalapeño. Look at that one. I think that's my dinner today. Only the one because they are so hot. But yeah, perfect. Here's a Carolina Reaper. An Armageddon. Looking beautiful there, look at all those. And here's a Buena Mulata. Lots and lots of purple peppers there. And here's another Cayenne. And the Mirch Masala. Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. These before we get them watered. A few little ones there. And our ghost pepper. Look at these. Huge. Black jalapeños. A Buena Mulata. And more black jalapeños here, look. Looking beautiful. Marvellous. Now look at this dream catcher. Because the leaves are droopy, we can see we got pods. They're just starting to form, look. Lovely, be trying these. Let's check out the Zimbabwe black. Yeah, little one's starting to show, look. I don't know if that's as big as they get. But as you can see, we've got lots of little ones starting to pop. There we go. I think they might get a little bit bigger. Hopefully they do. Lots inside there. Yeah, Zimbabwe black looking good. A bit more on the black jalapeno there. It's looking marvellous. And let's check these. Oh, there we go. Dream catchers, look. And this dream catcher. There you go. A little Buena Mulatas crossed with Zimbabwe black. Here's an Armageddon, and we're starting to get new pods, look. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Looking beautiful. Looking brutal there. There's our mystery. Who knows what that's going to be. Here's a Cayenne. Looking fantastic. Tabasco. Oh wow, look at this. There we go. First Tabascos. There they are. Finally. Hopefully all of these will pop up too. There's another Cayenne in the back here. Looking great. Huge peppers. And here is a Kashmiri Mirch, and I'm not seeing any pods yet. Lots of flowers and buds. Super tall. Here we have a Carolina Reaper. A few flowers, but nothing going on just yet. So here's a Kashmiri Mirch. Now either we've got these mixed up with black jalapenos, or they're all getting sun scalded. So I'm going to leave them for a bit. I'm just not sure, you see what I mean? They're all a bit blackened. I don't know if they do that before they turn red. Who knows? Here is a large orange tie. Have we got any pods yet? Flowers but no pods, so that'll be soon. Here's another Cayenne. Loaded, loaded, loaded. Here's our Cayenne in the smaller pot. Also loaded up. Got a Scotch Bonnet MOA here. Nothing just yet. And here's a Mirch Masala. Looking huge, but no pods just yet. And I just thought I'd bring the ghost peppers in just to show you the progression at the moment. Still plenty of new flower heads showing. But look at all of these. Let's get closer and have a look. They're looking excellent. Just the shape of them, they're just a bit of sun scald hopefully there. Hopefully. That does look a bit browner than usual, so hopefully that's not what I think it is. And of course it's the biggest one. Yeah. Lots going on there. More pods along the stem here. It's just crazy, look at this. Again, I would always say ghost peppers, if you're starting your chili journey, ghost peppers are a definite one in the garden. Just endless pods. Now neither of them have copper coils because they've done so well. I don't think they'd have needed them or made any difference. So here's the second one. There we go, got beautiful ones here. Moving further up. They are just excellent. That. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Marvellous. As we turn it around again. Some more ones further up the top, and they're all looking okay. See, like yesterday, I think that's just some sun scald, so I'm going to leave it be. On the other one, that one that's looking a little bit brown on the bottom, that might be a bit of blossom end rot, but we'll keep an eye on it. However, both are looking wonderful, just absolutely full of peppers on both plants, and there's no copper coils. But yeah, ghost peppers looking excellent. There we go, so they've all perked up, they're all a lot better. Now they've got a bit of water in them, so that's perfect there. So that wraps up day 178. I want to thank you all for joining us as always. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday, okay? We'll see you later. See you Thursday. Take care.